Hey loves, it's I back at it again with another video. For today's video guys, as you can see on the title, I'll be doing a haul. Just kidding. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, bibigyan kita ng recap. I'm actually redoing my room. I've been makeovering it for the longest time. I have a clean with me video. May isa akong part 1 na yun talaga yung pinaka raw or pinaka-umpisa nung itsura ng room ko. And then the part 2 was basically cleaning my closet. If you haven't watched that, I'll put it in the description so you can go ahead and watch it. But for today's video, I am in this phase na nagde-decorate na ako ng room and kailangan ko na i-finalize kung ano yung pinaka-theme ng room ko and all that. Talaga sa goal ko for this room is to actually have DIYs that I made myself. So, oo, maraming inspo dyan ng mga room decorations and whatnot. But I really wanna make it personalized. I really wanna make it like my own. So I made 3 very easy room decorations DIY that you can also do. Most of the items I hope are readily available sa bahay nyo. So you don't have to go outside to buy the materials nor buy the decoration itself. Baka gusto nyo rin ako i-follow sa Instagram ko guys. Mas updated ako doon. And I've been working out as well. And nandun lahat mga ka-ikan ko. Kung gusto nyo lang mauna, well, Instagram saw it first. So you might as well wanna follow me there too. So kung nakapag-subscribe ka na, let's get on to the DIY. First project na pinakamahalaga lang dito is yung pompoms. Kahit anong pompoms guys, hanap lang kayo sa Shopee. I'll link down below any pompoms na pwede nyong bilhin. I also use the No More Nails na glue. Guys, this is so legit. Sobrang tibay niya. You also need a basket. This one I got from Shopee. If you haven't watched my Shopee room decor haul, ito kasama yun doon. And I only got this for 180 pesos. So what I did is yung pompoms, ipinalibot ko lang siya dun sa top part ng basket. Unti lang yung nilagay ko. This glue is the bomb. A little goes a long way. So hindi mo na kailangan pang patuyuin or antayin uminit like the glue gun. Personally, I love this. And then, I'm also gonna be putting it on the other side. Parang dalawang layer siya na pompoms. So, ang kinaganda ng pompoms ko is gradient siya. Pero I'll try to find the gradient one din ha. And that's it. First guys, naghanap muna ako ng inspo for the popsicle. Honestly, torn ako sa pinakagusto ko. But I ended up with the thing I really wanna do, yung wall talaga. And what I did is, in-eyeball ko lang muna siya kung gaano ba siya kalaki or ano bang i-expect ko sa project na to. And personally, nalakihan ako. So, tinaray ko siyang liitan and then inisip ko ano malalagay ko sa maliit and wala. So, yun. Binalik ko na lang siya sa malaki. Then, what I did is, gumawa muna ako ng base. Nilagyan ko ng glue palibot. Kailangan magkadikit sila. Tayin nyo muna siya na medyo matuyo para ma-establish lang yung base niya. And then, nilagyan ko ng glue lahat as you can see. And then, ang technique dito is, alternate mo siyang lalagyan ng popsicle stick. So, kung lalagyan mo yung baba, lalagyan mo yung kabilang alternate niya and then the other. And then, after nun, yung kabila naman na alternate. So, para hindi lang siya patong-patong na popsicle, it will look like something na naka-weave or parang may pattern yung mismong popsicle. It is very simple, yet tricky siya. Kung ano yung pwesto na nilagay mo, ganun na siyang matutuyo. Actually, I really love the color already. It's just that hindi siya pantay. May mga dark part. So, sabi ko, sige, watercoloran ko na. And medyo tricky to guys kasi like water and then wood, it will definitely make your wood darker than the usual. Pero wag kayo masyadong magtiwala doon. Dahil pag natuyo siya, light na naman. So, ang ginawa ko talaga medyo marami yung paint na nilagay ko. Dahil pag natuyo siya, super light lang siya. Mukha lang siyang dark pero don't be deceived by the color. Make sure to color this when it's fully dry. Nantay ko siya ng 2 hours before I actually did put watercolor. And sa loob din, nilagyan ko as much as possible. Walang makikitang edges. So, it looks kinda legit, yo. That's it. For our last project, guys, this is one of my favorite. Kailangan nyo lang ng tangkay, photos. Kung wala kayong Polaroids, pwede naman kayo mag-print ng aesthetic photos nyo. Yarn, pwedeng makapal, and then manipis. Scotch tape, and also scissors. So, sa manipis na yarn, ang ginawa ko dito is naglagay lang ako ng siguro around 20 cm. Just eyeball it as well. Pero you can personalize this according to your design. Kung mas marami kang photos, pwedeng mas mahaba. Magandang idea yon, like from ceiling to floor yung photos mo. Pero ako, onti lang ang ilalagay kong photos. And then, itatay mo lang siya ng doble. Kung hindi ka masyadong kampante dun sa security niya, parang pag-ibig, pwede mong lagyan ng glue gun para mas secured na secured siya, or yung no more nails. I did 3 of them, and then I started putting photos. Ang pinandikit ko lang dito is scotch tape para pwede ko siyang baguhin from time to time. Hindi siya masyadong matadamage, unlike using glue gun or whatever. Pwede na yung normal na scotch tape lang, hindi naman siya ganun kabigat. And honestly, pwede mo siya lagyan ng iba pang designs like pompoms pero ako gusto ko lang simple lang siya, mas focus sa photos. Ang ginawa ko dito sa photos, pinattern ko siya mataas, yung gitna, then yung dalawa is mababa. And then lastly, yung ating panghahang. Ang pinili ko talaga dito is yung black na medyo makapal-kapal, but it doesn't look cohesive. So, binago ko siya into a macrame cord or roll. And there you go. We are done. So that is it, guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo to. And let me know kung anong pinaka nagustuhan nyo ng project. Project 1 ba? Project 2 ba? Project 3? Parang lugar yun. Anyway, let me know if you have any DIY, any decorations na you want me to pull off as well. I'll try my best to do it. So yeah, that is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!